If we want to follow Jesus in his kingship, if we want to be, as it were, princes and princesses that are participating in his ruling over the world, well, then the road to get there isn't through amassing more power and prestige and money. It's about being transformed by God's love. And in fact, it is only through being transformed by God's love that we even have the slightest hope of becoming the kind of people that we really wish to be. It's so easy to get distracted, to be threatened by what is going on out there. And so we obsess so much about how the world is doing that we lose sight of what we actually have control over. Which is to say, is my heart ready to receive the true King of the world? See, the fact is, Jesus Christ is King of the universe, whether we want to admit it or not, right? We are all plugged into his power, his authority, the entire universe. But the only question that remains is, yeah, we're connected to the power. Is the light switch on? Is Jesus Christ truly the Lord of my life? Regardless of what might come our way, that we have a kingdom that is bigger than this world, stronger than this world, and cannot be vanquished by anything that we can see or hear or touch.